Gonna be a busy week. I have an exam for African Lit Genetics. On Thursday, I have Paraliterature. And in the meantime, on Wednesday, I have work. At night, I'm going to see Burna Boy. So busy week, if I do say so myself. Good morning. Today is Monday. I have my first exam of the week. Kind of stressful, honestly. Like, I trust my memory, but for that, I don't know. I'm currently studying for my African Lit exam. He basically gave us the questions to the exam, but then he said he's going to draw like 3 or 4 questions. You can prepare the questions, but we're not allowed the notes, so we need to memorize 1.5 pages for each question. And so I'm just trying to memorize things right now. It's humbling. Basically what I do is I read the question and then I answer it. Like, I read it like completely and like actively reading, and then I try to explain it in my words and see if there are like important parts that I forgot about, and I repeat it. I just keep on repeating it. Today will be like a crazy week. I have 3 exams. It's a real midterm week because previously I used to only have an exam per week and it would like go on for 3 weeks or something like that. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mahitu. I film lifestyle content. I'm a student and I just film whatever the hell I like. Actually, I love fashion, I love traveling, I love just documenting my life. And so if you want to join me in this life during my 20s, subscribe. I had to memorize like 1.5 pages of answers, like 9 questions. Anyways, I think I'm ready. I'm just gonna reread them right now and see if everything's good. It's gonna be a busy week. I have an exam for African Lit, I have genetics, and then on Thursday I have Paraliterature, and in the meantime, on Wednesday I have work, and at night I'm going to see Burna Boy. So busy week, if I do say so myself. It's gonna be a fun week and I'll bring you along, of course. So yeah. These pants are from Aritzia and this top is from Zara. Today is a beautiful day. I think it's like 2 degrees, 1 degree, but I think it's gonna get warmer. Honestly, we're all dying. This weather in February is very weird. It's not normal. I have like 20 minutes to read. So I'm gonna stop talking.
not sure if I'll be able to eat it, but I mean, we'll figure it out. Gave us 5 questions instead. I thought it was like 3, but 5. I write fast, but like not that fast. I got out of the class 20 minutes before it ended. I'm back in my city, so now I'm going to the library for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And then I'm gonna be done for today.
Is 6 a.m. I have a Spanish class. Can't believe I'm waking up at 5 a.m. for Spanish. And I'm gonna eat and go. Today I might go get my eyebrows done because this is not going well, and the hair is so old. I might take it down as well. Anyways, let's start a day. Genetics exam today. I think it's gonna go well. Fingers crossed.
Let's go. Yes. I had my first class of Spanish. It was so fun. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. So now it's my exam. Side note, it is very sunny. It's like 12 degrees. Exam is done. The wording was a little weird, so I don't know if I answered right, but I'll pass. I'm a person to always finish like first. It took my time for once, so let's see, fingers crossed that it paid off.
I'm back home. The exam was okay. I feel like the wording could have been better, but Other than that, it's fine. I hope I get a good grade, as I said before. So now I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done because anyways, and yeah, so let's go. I can't lie. This is the worst my eyebrows have ever looked. It looks so bad. What is this? And what is this? She literally just killed it. Oh my god. Kind of ruined my day. Anyways, that's me. That's me crying about my brows. Let's hope they grow back. Let's hope they freaking grow back. Morning. I am at work today, so I won't be updating you guys. But tonight I have a fun event. I'm very excited. So we're gonna talk after work. I'm done. So now I'm going back home the quickest way possible. But it was a slow and very small day because I decided to finish at 3. Going back home, and it's actually very nice outside, so I gotta find an outfit and everything. We're back home. This is crazy. Like, I have a migraine. I kind of have a migraine, and like it's leaving, and so like I am just trying to make it leave because I'm supposed to go and scream and listen to loud music and dance and jump around. So like I can't. I've decided of this outfit in like 5 minutes, but it's giving cool girl. I feel like it's cute. Like this and this. I don't know if you can see the vibe, but it's almost low waist, but not as low waist as you think. And it's giving that effect, you know, that kind of like Y2K effect, and they're like carpenter pants. And then I'm breaking it. I'm breaking the vibes with this top. It's like more chic top, and my jewelry. I think I'm gonna wear belt ring that I bought in London. Tomorrow I have an exam, and I have an Spanish. I have a Spanish class, but it's not to say that I need to block my social life, you know. You need to live a little, just a little though, so that you don't go crazy with your studies and feel isolated and feel like you can't do anything. You need to balance it out, you know. I like to do like one thing every week just for myself, just for me. If it's like going to the bookstore, going to the cinema, watching movies one night instead of studying, going to a concert, it keeps me sane, you know. When I tell you I had a mental breakdown yesterday when she did my brows, oh my god, I looked god awful. It was so awful. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this and we'll see each other at the concert. Whenever I'm the next day I had so much fun at this concert, but the crowd was low-key very dead. Like, I don't know if it was because of our point of view, but honestly I feel like they were so dead. Like, even we were not at the, how do you say it, at the front of the stage, but we had seats, you know, and we were looking down on them and they were basically not moving. So we were very confused. We came back at 1 in the morning. So I just skipped my 8 a.m. class. I couldn't do it. I had to wake up at 5. No, I can't do it. I'm sorry. I can't do it. Let's go to my last exam of the week, and my midterms week would be over. This week is ending me. Like, I am so ready for spring break. I'm gonna be sleeping and reading and chilling. Seriously.
Update. It went way better than I thought, which is amazing. But that teacher, she lost me during her classes, but then she gave like a good exam, like not difficult at all. So I like her.